Give quick and easy access to content by adding attachments and links to activity feed posts. This tutorial shows how to add attachments or links to a post in Activity Feed in Brightspace Learning Environment. To begin, click the plus icon to create a post. Then, click Attach and select Attach Link to Existing Activity. Navigate to the content you want to share. Then, select it. The content link displays. Next, add a message to the linked material. Note: if you directly attach a video or image, it will render and display within Activity Feed. When you are ready, click Post. Your message and link display. Give quick and easy access to content by adding attachments and links to Activity Feed posts.